Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with another topic, that is the rib cage. So, students, what is basically a rib cage? Before coming to that, let us know what are basically ribs. Ribs are the long curved bones which constitute the rib cage. These curved bones which you can see, this one, these are known as the ribs and they constitute the rib cage. Basically, these ribs are shaped in the form of a cage, protecting heart and your lungs. So your heart and your lungs, they are protected by these rib cage. So these are the ribs and these curved bones, they constitute your rib cage. Now next is that these ribs are attached in front with the chest bone which is known as sternum and at the back with vertebral column. So we have 12 pairs of ribs which are attached in front with the sternum and at the back with the vertebral column. Now, two more new terms you will come to know here, that are the false ribs as well as the floating ribs. Now, students, as I told you that there are 12 pairs of ribs. There are 12 pairs of ribs. Now, 12 pairs of rib are there in the rib cage. Ribs from 8 to 10, they are attached to the sternum through cartilages. Okay, before that, I am going to add one more thing. Pair 8 to 12, they are attached to the vertebra which you can see here, but they are not attached to the sternum. Again, I am repeating that we have 12 pairs of ribs. 8 to 12th pair, they are attached to the vertebral column, but they are not attached to the sternum. That's why these pairs are known as false ribs. They are known as false ribs. So I hope you are clear about the false ribs. Okay. Now one more thing is there, that pair that is from 8 to 10. 8 to 10. They are attached to the sternum indirectly, not directly. Pair 8 to 10, they are attached to the sternum indirectly through cartilages. What are cartilages? Cartilages are basically the tissues, as I have already told you about the cartilages. Now 8 to 10 are here. Now 11 to 12th pair, that is not attached to the sternum at all and they keep on floating, so they are known as floating ribs. I hope this thing is clear to you. So again, I'm going to recapitulate all these things once again. So basically, what are ribs? Ribs are the curved shape bones which forms your rib cage. Ribs are attached to the chest bone which is called sternum in front and to the vertebral column at the back. We have total 12 pairs of ribs which are symmetrically paired on the right side and left side, forming a cage. These ribs join, as I told you, they join the sternum, that is the chest bone in the front, and the backbone at the back. Now the ribs from 8 to 12, they are attached to the vertebra, that is your vertebral column posteriorly, but they are not attached to the sternum directly. Okay, from 8 to 12, 8 to 10, they are attached indirectly to the sternum through cartilages, but at the back they are attached to the vertebral column. So these pair, that is 8 to 10, they are known as the false ribs, whereas 11 and 12th pair, they are not attached to the sternum at all and they keep on floating. So these are known as the floating ribs. I hope this topic is clear to you. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.